Yes. What's up, Africa? What's up, Nigeria? What's up, Lagos City? I'm your humble host, Prince Olajuwon, also known as Olamon Nigeria, right here for our own homie, Emoji Aquos, expressive laughter comedy show. And guess what? I'll be your host for tonight. The glue, I'll be right back.
Tattoo and body odor no dey work. Please, if you want to draw tattoo, make sure say you dey bath. As a girl, dey bath. Listen, one girl draw dragon. You know the bath. 2 days, dragon never bath. Now the dragon kill them.
Let's together for Emoji Aquos. You know if it's organized show this time period. I know it's you. If you are here and you're a man growing up and you never married, you need to give thanksgiving. You don't know what thing God do for you.
I Emoji my Ghana and my boss. You understand? You always deliver now. You understand? This expensive laughter, you know, from the show tag expensive laughter, the laughter within inside they're very expensive, but the ticket they're very cheap. You understand? So we are going inside to enjoy ourselves, to crack their ribs and to laugh also.
Igbo man opened the same zoo. He wrote outside. He said to come and watch lion is free. People begin enter. They begin enter. When Igbo man don't notice the people waiting inside the zoo don't reach like 500. He loved the zoo. Released 2 lions. He said to come outside 10,000. They begin to clap on the woman.
First of all, Emoji Aquos is a human being.
Okay.
We are all human beings. He's one old man that have refused to grow old. Or would I say one young man that has refused to grow old. He's ever ready to deliver. He's never out of date. You know, he's always on point. Very spontaneous, natural, and what else can I say? He's a loving human being.
I love Emoji. For me to come all the way from Oniru VI to Igondo. No. I'm not supposed to be here. He wasn't even aware I was in town. I just told him, Ashley and I will come. And he was like, bros, I said, don't worry, we'll come. That's how much I love him.
Wow.
He's one of the... It's not about being funny, but being a human being. That's it. He's a human being. If you know what... There's a lot of depth to what I just said.
On the try. Every Nigerian is a strong-minded person. Small thing for abroad that will not be shake. You never notice one thing? Even wedding pattern don't change for Nigeria. Back in the day, they will give you bride list. You will collect them, present them to your parents, and I'll begin gather resources. Come go the girl family. You know notice say boys no dey collect one bride list again. To marry now, boys they collect bride list from different girls family. Now the one wey cheap pass now they marry.
Well, Emoji is one of the versatile comedian, one of the most spontaneous comedian that I've seen, humble to the core. He's a man that carries people along. He's a man that have genuine love for comedy. I've known him for a very long time. When I was still coming up, I used to watch him on TV, but it's an honor and privilege to be at his show, share the same stage with him. I mean, it's a great honor. Emoji is a great man.
You go buy your sweet wish. Buy your lovely. Why you want to tell me say wish they lovely? That one not go pay you. Person go see they call the woman. Iye lare. Breathe will come. Hot one.
Only if you do me dada, can't no fit deny ya, baby no wahala. Only if you do me dada.
I'm just the bubble way like to dance shakiti, but nevertheless when they don't see the catch me, I pull up my waist and I tell them to pass it, scrap pa, po. They confuse and they panic. Please, I'm here on my side, you come by your side, it's bad. Even children now, if you did breastfeed picking, normally now picking you do the breastfeed and you But nowadays children, they breastfeed they go easy. Now wow. Everybody they complain.
There are a lot of artists performing tonight, and I'm also sure that we have a A-list artist. So if I may ask, are you part of the performing artists tonight?
Yes, I'm one of the performing artists tonight.
So your fans, they should be watching you right here, and they should be expecting the best from you tonight.
Yeah, they should expect us.
She wants is my money. I'm not shower over there. She has too much to tell them. I'm not shower over there. But she wants is my money. But she wants is my money. But she wants
To Island, I want to be money. I want to emoji. Want to bury what I feel body. The way you swing them on it, you they shock me like Tommy. Oh, can I be? Yes, Baba me, yes, Mama me, I should take me a month to pay. I should take me a month. Yes, Baba me, yes, Mama me, I should take me a month to pay.
Emoji Akpos, I think, not be say I think so. It's a very unique brother, a friend and a colleague, doing very well for himself, and he has been doing this over the years, and you know.
Who we say right here for our own homie, I'm talking about Emoji Akpos, and here with me is one of the most great living legends in the entertainment industry. I'm talking about the only man that speaks as if he's drunk on stage, whereas he's not, and he's not always with in any alcohol bottle. What I'm talking about? I'm talking about Clint Da Drunk.
I'm telling you, it's not easy. There's everything that happens in every country. It happens because of what is going on in the country. In fact, it happens because of how the country is shaped from the map. If you see Nigeria map, it look like head with face one place like this. Look like big head with Togo.
Ladies and gentlemen, how you all doing? How are they? Or Salugoko? But they don't feel surprised Nigeria. Who unlike Rawo appear? They begin shivering. Small magic. One idiot unlike. Now what? Even the guy who carry channel. Don't kill himself. They don't feel if now abroad now this thing will work. Just what's the problem? It's fulfilled. You want to do this work? Now useless work. Very nonsense work. See that man hustle, these people pay to watch me. Before they'll say it's no longer funny, we will not call him. Sit down, now you get chair, I pay. Because they go lost you don't go look. You don't hear how they look, boss. Just go and get that. Go there, yeah. Who should go and know on that bridge and this salad? They don't swallow on that bridge. Who should go and the worst thing is saying you cannot ask them questions, they will curse you. That's the way they talk with you, know they say people like to say, get on. No, them I do that one was I see Stamara, they load bus, I say here. He close Alu, they load Osho. Now me touch I say, talk show dinner. He say, go back and wale, kuro behe. He say, Osho. People don't get that. One Yoruba woman, I come and say, Yoruba can pity people. Then Yoruba woman look and say, Abiyamo. Okalu no ni. He's a stammerer. Oshodi lolo. Eja ba wole. Now the woman campaign for him. People begin enter the bus. People come there that the idiot never open. I see the woman. Osho. Now when motor full, now me tap and say, motor don't full. Say, Osho don't full. I say yes, Osho don't full. I don't know say that the same idiot. Now he won't drive us. Now when he lock where we dey, go driver side, he put key, lock the own door, come call for say, all of you who hold your change, you are no get conductor. I'm going to Oshogo.
We are here with the man of the moment, the main reason why we are here. I'm talking about MOG Akpos himself, man of God. Boss, how you do tonight?
I'm okay.
So, what can you say about your experience tonight being your show? What can you say?
So it was awesome. It was an awesome experience. Yeah, I'm so happy. It's a good experience.
So, what are the expectations of your fans in the next coming shows? What should they be seeing from you?
Well, those that have been following me know that I'll always keep up the game. I'll up it. And no matter where I go, I always come home to Alimosho where it all started. Yeah. So in every year, I do my shows around the world and I still do the final show in Alimosho to end the year. For me, this is the last Saturday of the month of November, before we enter the beginning of December. I've done, this is it for me for the year. It's a good way of ending the comedy show for this year.
Yes, it's not that news that you are one of the pioneers of skit making in the entertainment industry. About many years ago, you've done quite a number of skits that has blown, that also made you a name in the industry, of course. So, should they be expecting more of skits from you in the next coming years?
Sure, what people don't know about it, it's growth. We call it growth. Things change, hands change. Sometimes you give the younger generation the chance to explore. Yeah. They look at some of the people trending in the industry. You might not be seeing my face, but we have underground work with lots of the skit makers you see, give them concepts, direct their videos, send, but it's all about growing the industry of comedy. And the happiness as a pioneer is that the comedy industry is grown and we have left our mark in the sand of life, and that's what is important.
Wow, that's awesome. So for the sake of your viewers and your fans watching you on Olamon TV, you could give a vote of thanks to your fans, your lovers, your family that turned up for this great show tonight.
Well, for those, even to those that didn't come, my fans, those that made it and those that didn't make it, to me, I've not started. I keep improving to make you find more reason to watch me every day. I will not disappoint you. I will keep it up and I will.
The show was a shutdown. They shot it, it fell down. And that is the show.
That is legend.
That is the show. The thing about
forget about
it.
The thing about the show is that we have for expensive laughter.
Thank you so much. Yes, whatsoever that has a beginning surely must have an end. We've come to the end of the interview segment for our evening show tagged Expensive Laughter with MOG Akpos. Yes, to enjoy more of this segment, kindly visit all our social media platforms on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok at Olamon Naija TV. And guess what? I'll be your host to the most, Prince Olamejunwo. See you till next time. Bye for now.
If your girl asks me no more, yeah.
Okay, my name is Clinton Drunk.
This is your own boy comedian. You don't do.
This is Kofi the Guru. Please, I want you to do me a favor. Leave your neighbor's house. Go back to your house on your TV and keep watching
Olamon on Olamon TV.
Because if you don't, Allah on Monday.